Good morning, sir. Mabuhay. Welcome to LUCS Hotel.
Good morning.
Do you have any reservation?
Yes.
With your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
This way, sir. Our hotel offers is free Wi-Fi and unlimited coffee.
Okay.
Mabuhay, sir. Welcome to front office. Please visit, sir. Okay, stop mo lang. Stop. Wait, sir. I will call the bellboy to assist you. Bellboy! 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 Jomar, your bellboy. I'm here to assist you.
Okay, thank you.
This is way, sir. Okay,
To
sir.
go
This is your room. Let me have your key card, sir. And let me demonstrate how to use key card. And swipe it and turn green. Open it. You have one fan, one bedroom, and one bathroom.
Thank you.
Sir, would you like me to unpack your luggage, sir?
No, thanks.
Do you need anything, sir? Else, sir?
Nothing else. Thank you.
This is our hotline, 88888. Just call.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye, sir. Enjoy your room. Hello, sir. This is Vladimir from front office. Let me remind you that your checkout time is on 12 noon. I will call a bellboy to assist you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Ballet service. Ballet service. Ballet service. Anything else, sir?
No, nothing.
Okay, sir. Would you like to pack your luggage, sir?
No, thanks.
Sir, this is your bill. May I have your key card? Thank you, sir. Would you like to settle your bill, sir? Credit card or cash?
Here's my credit card.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Mabuhay, sir. I'm Jomar, your bellboy. I'm here to assist you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you for choosing our hotel. This is your luggage, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.